Alright guys, so you're welcome again, and in this video we'll continue from where we stopped in the last video. So in the last video I showed you the three major responsive responsive view when it comes to your website: the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So what we are gonna do now is that you see that we have a blank page. So we installed some plugin at the beginning of the training, and we have that Elementor kit. You now see that it's adding a functionality to our page. If you did not install it, you won't be able to see it. We also have an additional functionality here that comes with Elementor, that is you building with AI. Then we have the Envato element. You see the Envato element. Then this is the Elementor. So this is the Elementor template. So with this you can easily add any kind of template. With this you can easily add any kind of template. So when you click on this, it's gonna show you quite a number of templates that Elementor is having, but that is not what we want to use. What we want to use is the Envato element. Don't forget that the purpose of this video is to show you how you can harness the template that we have on the Envato platform to build different kind of website. And what we are doing is a corporate website for a restaurant, a corporate business website for your restaurant. So let's click on this Envato element. When we click on it, now you see what is prompting up for us. We have the installed kit, we have the premium kit, and we have the free kit. Don't forget that we installed a free kit at the beginning of this training for a restaurant, and you see now, because we've installed it, we have it here. Now the second way through which you can get some of this thing done is that even if you've not installed it before, you can upload a template. So I will be using this version very soon. By the time you are working with a premium and a pro template, this is a free template. So all you need to do is just to come and click on this this template that we've installed, and you see we have the home page, the home page 2, home page 3. So let's see which one we can use that looks good and is okay. Let's see this. This is the way this look like. This is the way this home page looks like. Okay, no, I don't want this. So let's check this as well. This is the way this home page looks like. I think this is much more better, but let's check the third one. So I think I love this. Reason being that, now come to see the reason why now this is the header. I'm seeing the header. This is the first section, right? It's talking about text, and this is like revealing the name of the brand. Then this is talking about what they do and why they are different, only fresh ingredients. And this is talking about the different kind of thing that they sell, and or how do I put it now, that the different kind of problem that they solve, or let me see, the different kind of thing that they render to their client. That is, they can give you dinner, they can give you lunch, they can give you breakfast or desserts. And also, if you continue, you now see some section that looks like a testimonial from people who had already bought. Then you now see specialty. So it's like a combination of all the things that are on the website or on this page. So you now see the chef, and you see a reservation page. So I think I will go with this as our home page template. So all you need to do is just to click on this insert template. Then you will see that it will start importing the template here. It will start importing the template. Now it's currently on 20. It's currently on 35. It's currently on 3548. Amazing. You see now the page has been imported for us. That page has been imported for us. Now with this page that you can see here, now we already have the home page for our website without even having to design from scratch. All we need to do is just to edit the content on this page. So and which we will quickly do now, and let's see. So let's turn this to affluence meal, taste affluence meal. Did you get that now? And you see how easy it is. Taste affluence meal. So whatsoever we want to use here, we can easily use it here. Let's say let us serve your meal with a sense of excellence, luxury, and attention to details. We know you deserve it, and we deserve because you are what do we put there? Because you are a royal, let's just use that, don't mind me, it's just coming off it, a royal person. You just understand that this is just coming from my head. That is that about us. So we already, then you see this place, book a table. So whatever you want to. Now, if this is just a simple website, if the site wants a booking functionality, then you definitely have to add a booking plugin here. And by the time you set up your booking plugin, right? By the time you set up your booking plugin, then whatsoever the booking page is, you come and attach the link to that booking page to this place. Possibly this book a table can even be the WhatsApp. So let's say what.me, let's just be very fast about that, what.me, and so we're gonna create a kind of booking link. In other words, when they click on that button, they will come into our customer representative WhatsApp, and they can easily make their booking. So what we're gonna do is, I'm just gonna come to this place and put my contacts 91 52 54 27, right? And the message is good day affluent meal. I will like to have a lunch from you. How do I go about that? Can you show me your menu? You get that now? Now this is a message that they will use to initiate the booking process. Then I'll click on generate my one link, and this is the link for the booking. Then let's go back to our page. We'll come to this place. Instead of this hash, you just put that link there. And that was when they click on this button, that button should bring them to my WhatsApp. So that's that about that page. That's that about that. Now you see, I told you that this is your I'm coming. Okay, yeah, we're still on page 1. So this is your section bar. That is, if you want to navigate in between the section. So we are currently on the first section. You can see I told you that a page consists of different sections. This is section 1, right? You're currently on the first section. If you click on this section 2, it takes you to section 2, which is this, right? When you click on this section 3, it takes you to where section 3 is. You see, this is where section 3 starts from. Did you get that now? So now you see all of these things. So you can easily edit. So let me just keep this here. You can easily edit it. So if you have another picture, maybe your client has given you the picture of their restaurant and the likes, put all of those things there. The information about the restaurant, only fresh ingredients, and dinner, put all those, just change all of these things. Maybe a tea, what's it called? A cup of tea and bread, toast bread costs $10. You put all of those things. Yeah, did you get that now? Funnily, this one that is even a cup of tea and so. Did you get that now? This place that we have this. We have the list of what they can buy. You can even, I'm coming. Yeah, you can edit it and change the name. You get that now? You can edit it and change the name and style. Yeah. So that is that about that. So let's see another. This testimonial, maybe people who had bought from you before. Then you see the specialty. So maybe for people. So this can be, now let's check something out. This place that says full menu. You see, this is a button. Now this can link to, let's say you have a document where you've placed all your menu, like the information about your menu. So you have it on the drive. Did you get that now? You have it on the drive. Let's quickly check that out. Let's check that out. So okay. So let's say this document, there is one of these documents that is on my drive. Come on, network. So why that is still opening? I'm trying to show you how you can just edit the pages. So you see, full menu list, so that in another, when they want, in another words, if they want to click on they want to see the full menu list and they click on this, they should be redirected to download your menu. You know, the same way you walk into a restaurant and you ask for their menu and someone comes to give you what their menu is. Did you get that now? So you can, the same thing is applicable here. The same thing is applicable here. Come on, network. So let's continue. Why that is still loading? So now it's telling you about their chef. So if they have chefs that they want to promote, then reservation. This can be, this is a form. So when they fill this form, you can change the name. You can add more things to this form. Let's check this. So click on this edit icon, this pencil icon. You see the form here now. You can add another item to this one. So your name, your email, your message, and possibly maybe you want to collect their contact. So you can add. Let me close this first. Let me close this first. So you see add item. Click on this add item and come to this type. You have different, so we want to collect their contact as well, that is phone number. So you're not using text, you're not using email, text area, no, we want to use this telephone. So you see this now, it's gonna add that here now, and here you can just label it your phone number. Did you get that now? So your phone number, it should pop that up here now. So let's have it as a placeholder as well, your phone number. Then you see that showing here now, your phone number. Then if you don't want that to be, let's just collapse this, bring it before message, that is the phone number before message. You see that this will adjust here now. Did you get that now? So this send your message, this the form feed, you can collapse this, come to the button, and you know, what do you want the button to look like? Is it big? 100%? Let's see 50%. See that it will be smaller now. That's 50%. So but let's just make it 100%. Let's make it 100%. And you know, step, you don't need all of this. Then you see this test, send your message. This can be chats with a representative. So you see that it will take effect here now. Chat with it. That is, when you fill this thing, it will redirect you to a representative. So let's say the representative is myself here. So I'll copy the link here, and you know, that is that about it. So what I'll now do now is that after they click on it, after as an action after submit, after they click on that chat with the representative, they've submitted it. What happens? You're collecting their emails. As in, you're collecting their emails, you're collecting their information. Then what will now happen is collection submission. That is, the information will be submitted to your email, and which email do you want it to be sent to. Then I want to add another one to it. You see this redirect. So now let me add this redirect to it. Now I've added redirect. Then let's come, you now see that we have collection, submission, email, and redirect. If I come to this place and I delete this redirect now, and let's collapse this, you see that we don't have redirect here again. So let's come to this place and add the redirect. Now what would that do for us? Collection, submission, that's default. Elementor will collect that that information for you. Which email do you want it to be sent to? Which email do you want it to be sent to? So I'm going to add my email, Olaleye Damilola, or let me say godswealth20@gmail.com. Did you get that now? Now what will be the email subject name? So I want it to be restaurant, so that it should be different and I can easily, then I'm saying that this email is where they will send it to. You can add as many emails. So you can add your client email so that whenever any other comes in, you can also follow up on it. If your client says they are not receiving email and you are receiving, you can say no, something is wrong with their mail. So that's not about that. From which email? So I've taught you how you can create different emails with a WordPress account. So you can add the official email or any email they give to you. So that's about. Then the redirecting. Another was when they are done submitting this, where should they be redirected to? So let's put it here. The link we copy from this WhatsApp here. Let's put it here, and that is where they will be redirected to. And that is that about that. So all we need to do is just to click on this. Okay, there is something we wanted to do earlier. Full menu list. Yeah, come to this full menu list, and let's come to this place. Let's say we are using this. You're using this file as our menu list, right? Come on, Drive. Why are you doing it this way? Okay, so I want to copy the link to this drive, and it's just misbehaving. Manager says, then copy link. So we'll come to this place, and the link that button will be leading to is the Google Drive link. Then all you need to do is just to publish this. Then we have our home page set up. Our home page is now set up. This 16 minutes. Okay, so we have published the home page. So how do we see what we have done? So click on this one that looks like then it will take you to the page itself. I'm gonna drop that link on the group. See the way our page looks like? Amazing. You see this? Test Affluence meal. Let us serve your meal with a sense of excellence, luxury, and attention to details. We know that you deserve it because you are a royal person. Now, the book a table. Don't forget we added our WhatsApp link. So let me click on this and let's see where it will take us to. You see this now? It's redirecting us to WhatsApp. So let's go back and let's test everything that we did there already. So that's the first section. Okay, we have all of that ready, and the second one I think we added something to is this full list menu. So let's click on this full menu list and let's see where it will take us. It will take us to go and download the menu. You see this now? So let's go back. Another thing is, let's check the third one that we set up before we round up this video, which is the form. Now, so this is the form. We have name. So I'm gonna fill this form. That's the name. That's the phone number. I want 6 cups of tea and 3 packs of chocolates and fried egg. So this is the information. Then you see now, chat with the representative. Now when I click on this button, it's gonna submit that form and redirect me to the WhatsApp that I added. It's gonna take us to WhatsApp now. You see this now? This is the WhatsApp. So if we click on continue to chat. Now we'll check something now together. Open WhatsApp. So let's see. Oh, 91 52 54 27. Oh, the number is not complete. I ought to have 2755. So that is that about. You understand now? But if the number is correct, it would have brought us to the person's me, and this is the message that the person will receive. The customer representative. Good day, Affluence me. I would like to have a lunch from you. How do I go about it? Can you send me your menu? Did you get that now? So let's go and check our mail. Let's go and check our mail if that information was sent to our mail. It's as simple as that. Okay, the mail is loading now. 19 minutes. Okay. The mail is loading now. So did you get that now? So we have this. So you can edit anything. If you want to add more section, you can. So let's say this is not how you want to, and you want to add something from scratch from your own head. All you need to do is just to click on this plus button, and you add a container, a flex button. Then add just one container. If you want to, if you want it to be grid, you see all of these. So these four are columns in one section. This one section now, one column. So when you come to this place and click on, flex box, you see one column, one section, one column, one section, one column, one section, two columns, one section, two columns. So the way you want it to be structured, the same way this is now, we have one column, we have this one section, four columns. Did you get that? So let's check our mail. Our mail is still loading. Let me just close all of these.